Color TV.
What do you want to do, please?
You dey ask me?
Yeah.
See, Anna, I'm like babbing through, so I've been a clipper on the collar.
Okay.
I can't shave my hair, no understand.
Alright, sir. This way, please.
That way, Abby?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the baby. Color TV. I will collect your pin when I'm leaving.
Nice to meet you. I feel like a winner. I can take it.
How is you?
Fine. You're welcome, sir.
Yeah.
You're welcome, sir.
Well done, my boys, my boys. You are looking casually casual.
Yes.
I like it. I like
Thank
it.
you very
Nice
much.
one, nice one.
Thank you very much, sir. You want to fix your hair, right?
They fix it. I'm not cut now.
Okay, we'll give you a very nice one, sir. You love it, sir.
Nice one, nice one, nice
Thank you very
one.
much, sir. Once again, you're welcome, sir. My boy will attend to you.
Yes, sir. We'll come attend to you.
I die, yeah.
You're welcome, sir.
All my ladies.
Yeah.
All my ladies. All my ladies. All my ladies.
You people are very caring these days, though. No worry, they disturb the baby.
We need to cover you.
Cover me, cover me. Wait, guys, wait.
Yes, sir.
Now on a calendar with that.
No, sir, that's not our calendar, sir.
So, what it be this?
That's the price our customers pay for the services we render, sir.
Which customer?
Customers like you, sir.
Like me.
Yes, sir.
Pay for waiting. Oh, I don't see him. Shaving 3,000.
Yes, sir.
Barbing 10,000.
Exactly, sir.
Home service 200,000.
Exactly, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful. So, how much did they barb my head?
10,000 naira, sir. When we are through, sir.
You are a comedian.
Sir, this is good service, sir.
Good waiting service. Enough of English here. What?
If I can comment, sir, that's what we charge normally. Our customers that come here, we take care of them, your haircut and all your general welfare that you have to enjoy when you come here. It's all added up to you. So, like for now, yours is just 10,000 naira.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. That because the wine and the granite, everything, packaging, don't worry. I'm never finishing that wine. See now wine. Yeah, take her. Wait, off the tea. Off the AC. Off our well. How much now?
So it's still same thing, sir. It doesn't change.
Now never light now they use.
We're using the generator, sir.
Okay, no more than a diesel cause off the light, off the
Okay.
off it.
Tell them.
Is it not me? Off it.
The generator is off now, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir, there's no NEPA light. That means we can't continue.
How much are you charging that there's no light?
We started, but we can't continue.
Now you are talking. So can I go now?
So I didn't say we can't start. We
They can
started,
come up
we
from
can't
my
just
body.
Continue.
Sure. Hey, one and not bad finish. This package, take save me. See now shoe. My God. My guys now. We just the gist things with the yarn. We already discussed like just issues. We just the issue. When I let me beg, I don't get chichi.
Carolina, who was slimmer, who was finer, you know what's
All right. That are Igos, our guy, our
Ego
G.
man,
So
very
for those
lenient.
exactly for those of now we always hear me talk about Igos and his darlingness and his sleep fitness. Now Igos be that. All right, but quickly before we say before we go free bros inside the building. Bros,
Yes.
you get into your show we don't always do every year.
Yeah, but this year only different. Now the beginning of another session of marathon parochial tafapwa. Yes.
So what did that one mean now? We talk.
That's one start something new this year. It's called I Laugh with MC Abbey. It be like comedy talk show, right?
Okay.
With side attractions like stand-up comedy, music, skits, picture stuff, and all that. It's a beautiful concept. Our guests for the event are bad guys.
Bad guys.
Bad guys, they're funny, die.
Back to back.
All them okay, Bakasi,
Hey.
God,
Hey.
Godons,
Hey.
Gucci,
Hey.
Princess. Mad people are not normal.
Not normal.
All they go there for them. So when they throw the different things, go go. You don't watch Ellen DeGeneres?
Yes.
It gets more flavor of that kind of pattern.
Okay, on the
But
system
yeah,
level,
oh, yes,
every.
The people go do stand up like people like una, you go do stand up comedy, steering go do this, and then you know, back to back, MC Prince, you know, what's the name again? Forever, just the throw away.
All right, when which month should they see Messi song?
June 27.
June 27.
Yes.
When I keep up for calendar, June 27.
Saturday evening, 5. Red carpet 4 p.m.
Bam!
Bam, we start the groove
Of every.
at Muson Center, Ajipon.
Hey, for Muson, every go happen. All right, so I don't hear MC Abbey over fun in the Worry Bros.
Yeah.
And seriously, I don't know, say, when I come there, entertainment no go lost at all.
Scarf.
All right, so bros, thank you very much for joining me.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Next
bless
question,
you, bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you, sir.
Next
Bless
question,
you.
please. Next
question.
question.
When are you leaving this show?
Now.
Thank
you very much.
All right, so we're going to block.
Okay, let's.
So, easy be to take us out of this quick break. By the time we come back, we'll greet our second guest inside this place, all right? We're not going to go anywhere when they come back. Bro, so the level and everything.
It's a national issue. You show me I will do it.
Hey!